many do you think, how many of you here think that Sarah Geronimo is getting more beautiful every day? No, napapansin namin lahat.
Extremely beautiful.
Gusto ako naniniwala ko that itong si Sarah is she's only seeing the tip of the iceberg. Kasi yung iceberg kasi malaki pa yun sa ilalim. You don't know what that means, pare. Iceberg. Spell, okay? I-C-E-berg. What?
You see the tip of the iceberg.
You know the Titanic, di ba?
Matangkad siya.
Hindi. Like the Titanic, when the Titanic hit the iceberg, ang lalim pa nun, ang laki pa ng iceberg sa ilalim. Ibig sabihin, ang dami pang magagandang mangyayari.
I still don't get it.
You don't get it?
Nope.
I have medicine there. It helps the brain.
The tip of the iceberg. That's what you are. She's so cool that she's the tip of an iceberg. She's an iceberg with a tip.
Tapos na.
She's a triangular piece of ice.
And she doesn't melt. She does not melt.
Wow. She's unmeltable. She is.
But she's hot.
She's hot. And she's unmeltable. She's hot, but she cannot melt. She's so hot, she's unmeltable.
Please forgive Martin Rivera. Sa concert namin, yan lang ang gagawin niya. Buong concert.
This done.
Continue, Mark. Go ahead. Continue.
Anesthesia pa ako eh. I broke my jaw. So you didn't even know.